Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a winter body care routine. So I am going to show you all how I take care of my body, my skin during the winters. And I'm also going to show you all a few hacks that you all can use to take care of your body and your skin. So let's go ahead and see the video. So the first thing is moisturizing your body really well, because that is very important in the winters. So we tend to get a lot of like dry skin on our hands and on our whole body basically. So what I prefer to do is I like to use like body moisturizers. These are the two body moisturizers which I love to use. They are very refreshing and they moisturize my body really well. So you all should definitely give these a try. If not, y'all can definitely try any moisturizer of your choice that y'all think works for y'all, or anything else. These are budget friendly, so that is why I prefer to use these. Next is a little hack. Instead of body moisturizers, what y'all could do for your skin is use aloe vera gel. This one is really helpful. Y'all can get any aloe vera gel from the market of your choice, of course. So if y'all don't have any body moisturizers and y'all don't want to spend much on it or don't want to invest in one, I would suggest investing in aloe vera gel. This is really helpful, and well, it works for your face as well as your entire body. So it's like an all-in-one, you can say. Definitely a must purchase. Next is how to take care of your skin during the winter. So I'm going to show you all a body mask that you all can make at home, which is very easy. You all can use this on your face as well as your body, and it works really well. Next is cleansing your face really well, because our skin tends to get very flaky and dry. So you all need to cleanse your skin really well. So I use the simple face wash. This is really good for the skin. So I'm an acne prone person. So I really get like a lot of acne if I use any product at all. So I need to be very careful. And this works really well for my skin, because this product is very lightweight on the face and it is not very foamy. It doesn't have any fragrance and it works perfectly for acne prone people. So you all should definitely give this face wash a try. Now, after we've done the cleansing of our face, y'all need to try this, which is called exfoliating your skin. So this is for your body as well as your face. First, I'm going to tell y'all what to do for your face exfoliation, and then I'm going to get to the body part. So basically, exfoliation would mean like removing off your dry skin from your face, and it's not done through any like technique or something. You'll just need to use a face scrub, and these are the face scrubs that I really love to use on my face when it comes to like exfoliating and scrubbing my face. So before you head to your face scrubs, what you need to do first is take a face steam, and then you just remove the excess dirt from your face, all your basically whiteheads, blackheads, all of that, and then you head to your face scrub. So of course you all can use any face scrub of your choice. I prefer using these two as they are really budget friendly. This is like a tester product that I've purchased because I wanted to test how it works on my skin. Since this has AHA, PHA, walnut, rice milk, I really wanted to try this product. This is from Chemist at Play. So now getting to your body exfoliation, I am going to show you all a DIY body scrub that you all can make at home very easily. It is a coffee body scrub, and if you all want to purchase one from the market, you all can purchase the M Caffeine coffee scrub. It works really well. It will remove your tan from your skin. Now let's get to the body scrub. So I am going to show you all a DIY body scrub that you all can make at home. It's really easy to make and all the ingredients will be available in your kitchen. Use this body scrub once to twice a week. I will suggest start using it once a week. If it works well for your skin and your body, then you all can start using it like twice a week or so. Next, let's get to lip care. So I am going to show you all a DIY lip scrub that you all can use every 2 or 3 days. It will help to exfoliate your lips, and other than that, you all need to use lip balms. I love using Vaseline because definitely this is the OG product in the market. I mean, before we had all these tinted lip balms and all, we used to use Vaseline. So I love using Vaseline as my lip balm. If not, there is another lip balm that I use. I use Baby Lips by Maybelline, and this is tinted and it leaves a beautiful tint on my lips. And definitely this is something I've been using for years together, and I love this because it makes my lips feel really moisturized. So one thing I would really suggest for your skin is using your sunscreen even in the winters, because like we think that sunscreen is just used for summers, why should we use it in the winters, right? But well, that's wrong. You need to use your sunscreen even in the winters because that really helps to create a barrier on your skin. So this is the sunscreen that I love using, and I've been using this for months now, and it really works well on my skin. So this costs like $4.99. I think it's really worth it. I know the product is really less, so it works well for my skin. I thought of giving it a try, and well, ever since then I've been using this. Next is your face moisturizer. So moisturizing your face is equally important as moisturizing your skin in the winters, and in fact I'd say in all the weathers, but specifically in the winters. So this is the moisturizer that I use for my face. I use this in the night as well as in the daytime in my routines basically, and this works really well. So I am someone with acne prone skin, and this doesn't cause any damage to my skin, trust me. Now let's head to how I take care of my hair during the winters. So we're all aware about how we get like really dry hair, like we have dry skin, and our scalp tends to get very dry. So we get a lot of dandruff in our hair, which is something I'm sure all of us want a solution for, right? So personally, I don't prefer using any products made at home for the dandruff. What I use, one is I change my shampoo during the winters. So normally I use the Tresemme shampoo, but during winters I specifically go for the Scalp Plus shampoo that really helps with the dandruff. Trust me, you all have to give it a try. It will really help you all, but give it time to show you all results. So earlier I used to go to the salon to get this treatment done for my dandruff, and there's this particular wand that you get in the market as well now. I think it would be available on Amazon as well. If it's available, I'll link it in the description box below. So this is a wand with a UV light, and that really helps to take off all the dandruff from your hair. When I had a lot of dandruff, this particular wand has helped me a lot, but definitely please consult your doctors first and then go ahead and use it. So it worked for me, that is why I continued using it ahead, but you all need to definitely test it out first, and if it works, then go ahead with it. The next one is a hack when you all get cracked heels and also when your elbows get really dry. What you all need to do is apply Vaseline on your cracked heels and just put your socks on and go to sleep. You'll have to do this every single night to notice the difference. Next thing is, I like to apply oil on my hair every single week. So I do that like once a week. So I keep it overnight and the next day I wash off my hair. So you all can also try this other tip which will really help for your hair growth as well. It's applying coconut oil along with castor oil and vitamin E. It's a vitamin E capsule that you get. So vitamin E is optional and you all can only use coconut oil and castor oil. So you basically make that a little warm and then you apply it with cotton on your hair, and then you just massage your hair and then go off to bed. So you'll have to try this like every 2 to 3 times in a month, and it will really work well for y'all. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.